Hey floor cleaners, it's John here. Last week we talked about how you can leverage the new social media format of Reels to take your floor cleaning business to the next level. In this video, we're going to be looking at Reels in a little bit more detail and showing you some advanced tips, tricks and hacks to use Reels to the best of your advantage to really get great results for your floor cleaning business. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called AGB. We specialize in getting carpet cleaning businesses and floor cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot with our specialist digital marketing system. I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many floor cleaning business owners as humanly possible not just survive but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So let's have a look at some advanced Reel strategies to take your floor cleaning business to the next level. Number one on my list is to use music and captions. Each time you use music, your Reel gets exposed to that specific song's tag. It's similar to hashtags with the potential of more reach. And since there are plenty of users that don't keep their sound on, yes, even while they're scrolling through Reels, it's good to put on those captions so they can engage with the sound off. So adding music to your video, advertising your floor cleaning business on Reels, adding music and using Reels and stuff really helps your Reels, your content get even bigger reach. So absolutely make sure that you use music when you're putting together your content. And here's just an example of just a few Reels examples. This person here's like a green screen thing with them sort of talking over their actual page. Here is somebody just like on a selfie mode with like captions. This is someone that's been filmed and we've got some text and some graphic overlays. Just gives you like a few ideas, and there'll be music attached to this as well, which again helps it reach even more people. Film yourself giving tips. You could provide 5, for example, short tips, 1 extensive tip, or a preview of a longer video to come. Think about frequently asked questions from your customers when it comes to upholstery cleaning, tile cleaning, carpet cleaning, and think about other videos that performed well in your social media marketing endeavors. So if you put out content before, think about the ones that have performed like really well and do a Reel style video of that one as well. You won't believe how much content you will come up with just by answering questions your customers ask you on a regular basis. So you could literally compile a list of your most asked questions and make a Reels video of each one. Super cool idea. And here's some examples: 7 tips for carpet, rugs and upholstery cleaning, frequently asked questions, and they've got like screenshots here of the actual questions. So yeah, that gives you a bit of an idea. Share some common mistakes you see people do and share how to fix it. For example, 3 mistakes people make when trying to remove food stains from the carpet. 3 mistakes people make when treating tiles. Why carpet deodorizing doesn't last long. What you are doing wrong. Helping people with professional tips and advice is a fantastic way to stand out from the crowd and establish yourself as the go-to expert in the sphere of floor cleaning services. What's more, effective tips on how to treat floors and carpets, so on and so forth, will be shared around many followers, and therefore your business will go viral. So yes, sharing advice, sharing mistakes and how to do things correctly, tips and advice, it's a great strategy for your Reels, for your content, and this is the kind of stuff, like I said, that goes viral. Here's a few examples on the screen. Reels versus reality. If you're already doing sort of like behind the curtain, behind the scenes, take it a step further. Get a little vulnerable about life as a business owner. People love original content that shows off the human side of your brand. You can share the triumphs, the everyday challenges and trials of your floor cleaning business. This honesty and openness will help you to get closer to your customers and build more trust towards your services. So yeah, like literally, let's say you've had, a particularly difficult situation. Let's say your truck mount broke down or you ran out of fuel and you're stuck on the side of the road. This is the kind of content that people love, that's really engaging. It just shows you as a human being, and that creates connection between people that are following you, and that creates connection between your customers, and that's what's going to get them booking with you and using you time and time again because they see you as a human being. A few examples here. I quite like this one: the confessions of a cleaning business owner. Create an Instagram Reel video to feature your clients. This can be a testimonial video where your regular clients give reasons why your floor cleaning business is the best in town, or you can ask your clients to leave business anniversary or Merry Christmas wishes for your company and team. All of these Reel videos will help you to spread the word about your company and promote your business. So yeah, you know, like if you've got a real loyal client that absolutely loves you, that you've built a relationship with over the years, there's absolutely no reason why you couldn't ask them just to film like literally a 20-second video testimonial, send that over. You could offer maybe some discount on their next cleaning, on their next carpet cleaning as a thank you for doing so. It's 20 seconds of their time. They send it over to you, and that's great content for your social media channels. It's great content for reels, and nothing's better than a testimonial, right, when it comes to getting new clients. So again, here's a quick few examples. Final thoughts: you can't underestimate the importance of reels in the promotion of your floor cleaning business. The reels format is highly engaging, and its features still offer incredible reach, diversity, and discoverability benefits that can help businesses quickly grow their audiences organically. Additionally, you'll get valuable audience insights to use with all your marketing strategies for your floor cleaning business. Take these lessons on board. Go out there, guys, carpet cleaners, floor cleaners, tile cleaners. Take your cell phone, start recording little snippets of content, 20-second content, whatever, and start putting that out across social media. This is the fastest growing channel, reels, on social media right now. It's got incredible engagement, incredible reach. Jump on it, and this is a great thing that's going to help you and your business grow. And if you do this alongside paid strategies and paid advertising, you're going to be unstoppable, because I guarantee that probably a lot of your competitors that are watching this are not going to be making the same efforts that you are. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis and get to know more about how we can help you and your floor cleaning business get completely booked out with jobs and make thousands of dollars on autopilot, head down to the description below where you'll find all the necessary links to book a call with us. See you on the next video, guys. Peace.